naman natin dun sa tinatawag na bagong skills in demand visa. Maraming nagtatanong dito, no? Kasi sabi nga nila, by November ba o before the end of the year, mangyayari ba ito? Kasi apparently, this will only require for 1 year full-time work experience compared to what it is now, requiring for 2 years work experience in order for you to apply for Southwest Force 482, no? So ngayon, a lot of people are looking forward to this, especially yung mga nanggaling sa 485 visa, yung graduate visa, o kaya naman yung nanggaling dun sa COVID visa 407, na baka sakali na pwede na sila dito. So we are looking at skills in demand visa. So this is going to replace the temporary skill shortage, yung TSS na tinatawag natin na Subquest 482 visa by the end of 2024. Now, from the last update we have, it's going to happen in November 2024, siguro last week ng November. And we're waiting for it, just like any other changes, no? Binabalita namin sa inyo for the sake of information and for you to at least prepare or at least may makita kayong baka pwede ako doon o magkaroon kayo ng panibagong prospect. Ano? But just like what I've said, this is an announcement. Hindi pa ito legislated at hindi pa natin alam yung mga particulars na mga mangyayari dito. But just the same, we're telling it to you because it has been announced and some people are already inquiring about this. So that's why we wanted to explain it to you. So this is the Skills in Demand visa, which will introduce